This is our welcome to the Veazie Veterinary Clinic video. We're going to take you on a virtual tour and show you what goes on inside our hospital. We've just put a GoPro action camera on our puppy Tuka, and she's going to take us on a dog's eye view of the Veazie Vet Clinic. Come on, Tuka, come. Good girl. Let's go see the receptionist and see what they're doing, Tuka. Behind the desk this morning we have Krista and Allison, and they're here to greet you when you come in, schedule your appointments, and make sure all your paperwork is well taken care of. In our waiting room, look at this handsome. We try not to keep people out here waiting too long, but when we do, we make it as comfortable as we can. Let's check out one of the exam rooms. This is exam room one of my favorites. We have 4. All of our exam rooms have computers in them that allow us to keep your medical records and access your data. This is the room where we're going to spend a lot of time with owners, listening to their concerns, examining their pet, figuring out what's best, and providing the diagnostics and treatments to keep them well. Let's go see what's happening in the lab.
I'll put you in at 210.
Got Bobby hard at work at the microscope already this morning. In our in-house lab, we have a full IDEX system to do all the hematology and serology for blood work, fecal samples, tissue samples. We also have a teaching microscope we use to examine samples. Now let's go look at the pharmacy. In the pharmacy, we try to keep all the drugs that are necessary that your pets may need. If there's something we don't need, we have contacts with lots of compounding pharmacies where they can make specialty items for us. Back here is our treatment and surgical areas, and sometimes we invite owners to come back with their pets when they need a little extra reassurance. We're set up to induce. This is our induction station where animals are put out under anesthesia and we go to surgery. Again, whole medical log of anesthesia, EKG machine set up in case they need it, all the drugs ready to go, anesthesia machine here. So once they're prepped, we'll take them into surgery. Let's go have a look at surgery. We're set up for my first patient of the day. A sterile pack and all of our instruments are in the cabinets behind us. Nice heated surgery table so animals don't get cold during their procedure. Over here is an IV pump, fluid warmer to keep their IV fluids warm while they're being administered, an anesthesia machine, a monitor so we can monitor vital signs, a workstation so we can monitor and keep track of everything, more instruments, a surgical laser. We use a laser for all of our procedures, less bleeding, less bruising. That's surgery. Let's go have a look at x-ray. We have a digital x-ray system which allows us to get very quick x-rays of most of our patients, so rarely do we need sedation or anesthesia to do an x-ray. Also allows us to transmit these images anywhere in the world to a specialist if we want another opinion on a case. Also allows us to get very good quality radiographs to help in diagnosing what's wrong with your pet. Our intensive care area is right next to our treatment area, so if we have an animal that is ill and needs to be watched real closely, we can hook them up to oxygen if we need to, any monitoring devices, and have them right here so we see and hear them at all times. And then we can go to the dog ward. The dog ward we try to have as quiet of a place as possible as animals are recovering after anesthesia. Usually have the lights off, it's nice and quiet in here. We can check on animals frequently, but allow them to rest and recuperate after their procedures. And the cats we have in another place. In our cat ward, we keep it a little bit warmer in here, nice and quiet for our kitties. We have a cute little Piper kitten right here. And we'll see if we can boost Tuka up so she can see the little kitten. What a cute little kitten. And that's your tour of the Veazie Veterinary Clinic.